This is a videotape of a Ganesh ASL 10L CNC lathe. We're just going to do a quick motion and movement through the machine. This has a Fanuc Series 0i TD control, and we're going to move things around in the machine. Coming in on Z, X down, back up, turret index, .500 RPM, 1,500 RPM, and 2,500 RPM. We're not taking it any faster because it's brand new. 250 RPM. And we'll move the tailstock. And the parts catcher. This concludes our videotape inspection of the Ganesh ASL 10L CNC lathe.